Well, we are looking ahead to some serious rain heading our way this weekend. Colleen, do you already know that everyone can expect to get some pretty serious rain?
Yeah, some good rain Saturday night through Sunday. It's almost going to feel like it's not going to stop at some points on Saturday.
Hey, are we going to have breaks in it, or is it one of these steady rains?
You know, we'll have breaks in the morning on Saturday, but I think by 7 p.m. Saturday till 4 a.m. Sunday, it's going to be pretty consistent rainfall. So we are going to get some inches of rain this weekend from this storm system that we are tracking. We have a beautiful setup right now, some sunshine right at sunset, a few clouds starting to build off in the distance. The good thing about Friday, we're going to stay dry, but warmer temperatures are in store tomorrow and Saturday before we have that very wet setup this upcoming weekend. Right now we're at 58 at the All International, 57 in Scottsburg. Loving these temperatures, especially after waking up so chilly with some frost. It felt nice to warm up today in the upper 50s, and in fact, looking at that radar, we're nice and clear, just a few upper level clouds out there. And we're going to stay dry overnight tonight through tomorrow morning, waking up to temperatures in the low 40s, so we might not even get to the 30s in some spots. We will have some wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour. That wind from the south is expected to pick up. It even bump our temperatures to the low 60s tomorrow. The thing you'll notice about tomorrow afternoon is those clouds will start to build, so mostly cloudy setup for your Friday evening, but we'll stay dry until Saturday morning. I think that's when we can get the first of the showers around 4 o'clock. Saturday morning, mostly dry. In fact, it's slowed down a little bit, so the rain is expected to pick up right around 3 o'clock on Saturday, really targeting south and southeast of Louisville. So if you live in Shepherdsville, Bardstown, Munfordville, you have higher rain totals than us here in Louisville and Indiana. But overall, we are all going to see the rain 3 p.m. till 7 o'clock, really starting to pick up across the metro into Indiana. We might see an isolated thunderstorm, some rumbles of thunder and some strong wind gusts, but for the most part, just some downpours. 4 o'clock in the morning, that last wave that we are expecting, widespread light sprinkles. This is going to be cold rain hitting right around 4 o'clock in the morning. Most models showing some scattered showers. By the time we get cold enough to get some wintry mix, all of the moisture will be off into eastern Kentucky. So it's not looking likely at this point. It looks like we'll just have rain all weekend long. Let's get to those totals. If you live in Indiana, you could clock in about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Here in Louisville, 1 inch to 2, but maybe even up to 3 inches. Areas south of Bardstown, Campbellsville, southern Kentucky, really going to get some good rain out of this system. Now, stronger storms could be possible across Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri areas, but for us here in Kentucky, we are not under a risk of seeing anything strong, which is good news. But if you have any travel plans, just a heads up. Temperatures falling into the 50s throughout the rest of the evening. It's a comfortable night. We are going to cool off slowly. So tomorrow morning, waking up to the 40s. It's a low 43 here in Louisville, 42 in Scottsburg, and 40 in Shelbyville. So tomorrow we're staying dry in the 60s. Notice increasing clouds as we head towards Friday afternoon. A lot of rain on Saturday and then into Sunday morning. But the good news, by Sunday afternoon, we should be clearing out, but temperatures will be falling rather quickly Sunday afternoon. So expect temperatures in the 30s by 3 p.m. on Sunday, and we're staying cold on Monday. But next week, Monday through Thursday, it's a spread of sunshine. So I'm looking forward to